Hi all, welcome to John's Model Making. Today we're carrying on with the U96 U boat. We've got two more kits to do, 7 and 8. There we go, that's what we were left with. And I did forget to put the AM screw in that shaft to keep it in place. Schoolboy error, but there we go. It's now in place. So that is kits 5 and 6 complete. Now we can have a look at kit 7. Here we have the motor, we have the cover, worm gear, and that is kit 8, which is that large piece of hull with a connector involved. Excellent. So without further ado, let's get on with the build. There we go, those are the parts. So we have the worm gear bracket, the forward hydroplane box cover, which is that piece there. We have the worm gear motor and the cable. So we'll get all these out. So first things first, we put the cable onto, or I should say the label onto the cable. If I can get it off. Oh, quick devil. There we go. Excellent. And now we have silver screws and black screws. We need to pop this onto here like so and screw that in with a couple of silver screws. Okay, doke, let's get the first screw into place. There we go. So you want the cable on this side of that box. That's the upper part of the box. Excellent. Next we can pop the worm gear into place. That should just fit over the top. It is D-shaped, so just keep turning it until you get it into place. Easy said than done. Fiddly, fiddly, fiddly. Should be at the bottom, I think. There we go. I have to push that in the end. Get that lined up there and pop that there. Okay, now let's put this little bracket in. You can see the worm gear there, correctly located, and then we pop this bracket there like so. Excellent. Just check the instructions for the correct orientation and you can't go wrong. Brilliant. Now we can fit this into place. Get that cable out of the way and pop that over there like that. Yep, 2 AP screws, which are the black ones. There we go. That's that forward hydroplane motor in place. Excellent stuff. Looking brilliant. And that shaft. Yep. Let's move on to kit 8. Okay, kit 8, we have the connector and there we go, one large piece of the hull. There we go. Lovely detail on it. There's a hole there as well, and a hole there as well as, well, that looks fantastic, does it not? Brilliant. Now we need this piece back, and basically that will go on there, and we'll screw that together with 4 of these AM screws. Excellent. I'll get the screws out. Okay, so we need 4 of these, so I'll put this first one in here. It has got some oil on it as well. And what is it to do? These screw holes are not lining up for me. Is that better? There we go. Excellent. Now we can put this piece of the hull into place. So look at that. See, there's a bit of a gap there. But I would imagine once we get this all together, that gap will close up. Right, that should go up there, I think. There we go. Let me just about got that. There we go. Now we need 4 more AM screws. There we go, last screw. All them hand tightened and not too much. Not going to get much, great lot of torque with this kind of screwdriver because it is basically the right size. Use too big a screwdriver and you might damage the sockets. But you can see there, that bit of a gap. It does flex a bit there, but obviously when it's in that position it isn't going to flex. Once we get everything else on, I would imagine it'll hold itself into place as well as, but it does seem a little bit odd how that is flexing like that. Once we get these other pieces on, obviously there won't be as much room for movement. But that is looking superb up to now. That looks brilliant. Let's have a look on another camera. There we go, guys. It's looking bigger, definitely. I think the next pack we do get some torpedoes, I believe, and they look quite a lot of detail on, a lot of piping. Is it the torpedo? We get torpedo tubes, and I think we get torpedoes later on in another pack. You can download the first 5 packs so you can have a look at all the parts that we get. We also receive, I think in the next pack, another motor for the anchors, or for the anchor I should say. Here you fish it through here. I don't think we actually get the anchor with it, we get the chain. So yeah, that's going to be a tweezer job as well, and I would imagine the motor goes along here somewhere. But anyway, we can have a look at that. But there we go. Yeah, once it's weighed down like that, that's fine, but don't store it like that upside down, because it does open up there between the bow and the rest of the hull. But anyway, I think it's going to look superb, this. Absolutely brilliant. I have seen later issues online. I think somebody in Germany is up to in the 40s, and looking at the detail, looks absolutely brilliant. So that looks fantastic now. So another 4 weeks before I receive the next 4 issues, but there we go, that is it for now. So if you did like that, give us a big thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and thanks for the comments. Please keep sending me comments. Let me know what you think of the build yourself, and let's see how we get on with this. Brilliant. Thanks for tuning in and watching. Stay safe. See you soon. Bye for now.